Hold on, let me show you how I gave this pap a makeover. Did you know what I added to get this interesting color? I will definitely show you. This pap is not just color, it became more healthier than the regular pap we know. And you know the eyes eat before the mouth, so this pap is it not inviting you, because it's actually invited everyone around. So let's get right into it, my love. First thing you have to do is to get your beetroot. You know this beetroot is very powerful, it's very healthy and also medicinal. It helps to boost blood and also boost immune system. Remember, I'm not a food nutritionist, I'm just that babe who like to show you what works and what will also work for you. Okay, after washing and peeling my beetroot, I went ahead to blend until it's very smooth. After that, you go ahead and sieve. You see that juice that comes out from beetroot, that is exactly what we need. So because we are not making so much pap or large quantity of pap, we are not to add so much water to this. Add little water and blend it. Is very smooth. Then go ahead and sieve with whatever that works for you. Okay, you see this pap, I call it blood tonic. So once pap, you are done with the sieving of the beetroot, the next thing is to get the quantity of pap you'll be needing. Remember to dissolve your pap. You actually don't need too much water. As such, we'll be using this beetroot juice to dissolve our pap. Guys, this is so lovely, and you know this beetroot gives whatever that is being added to beautiful color. Do you like what you see? Well, I have more interesting videos on my channel and my pages. Do well to follow, like and share this video so other people can see more interesting ways to build their immune system, especially pregnant women. If your doctor says you should boost your immune system, go ahead and do this way. It also helps. While I was boiling my hot water, I added just a cube of beetroot to it. That is why the water is so reddish also. So use that water to make your pap, and boom, allow your pap to sit for 2 to 3 minutes and go ahead to turn. That is the secret of getting a very thick pap. Irrespective of the beetroot, it will not affect the thickness of your pap. Okay, so go ahead and serve with whatever you like or whatever that works for you. If you want sugar, honey or syrup, go ahead and do all of that. Here I served mine with fried egg on a healthy level. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share so others will learn. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Until then, eat healthy, take care of yourself and feel good. Bye.